Hi everyone, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. And I want to show you a great technique. I want to stamp on black, basic black. I want to stamp on this, but I want to add some color and I want to have it colorful. I want it to look like this. This right here is with blends. It's really subtle. These are with the colors, watercolor pencils. So we're going to stamp with watercolor pencils. This is what I've done. This is what you can do. I don't know if you can see the whole thing. But first of all, you need a piece of basic black or a dark. You can also use like Night of Navy. You can use browns, dark browns, early espresso, whatnot. You are also going to need your Stampin' Craft Whisper White pad. You want it fairly juicy. I just re-inked this one. So that's what you're going to need. Let's bring you up just a little more. And then you're going to need a stamp set with solid colors, or solid stamps. So I'm using the Art Galleries one. This in the it's in the January to June mini catalog. So all you're going to do is you're going to, and you're going to need your heat tool. You're going to ink up your stamp, and you want to make sure that it's well inked, okay? That's why you want a juicy pad. And you're just going to stamp it. Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful. Now, if you don't have a lot of hand power, arm strength, you may want to use your Stamparatus and stamp this. Then I'm just going to do this. Now what I would do is, first off, you're going to have to clean this. The best thing is to wash it with soap and water. I'm just going to clean it off with this because I don't have soap and water right here, and I don't want to leave you for like a 10-minute soap and water trek. This is if you've got the old Stampin' cleaner, the thing that works a lot better than these. Okay, now what you want to do is you just want to dry this. Now if you don't have a heat tool, then just put it aside to dry. I'm not going to bore you with the heat tool. So this one is already dry. Then you want to take your watercolor pencils and you're just going to color them in. Let's see, let's do Melon Mambo. And again, these are not going to be, because they're on white, they're going to be a little more muted than if you just did it on a Whisper White or basic white. And you're just going to color them in. Now again, you could use blends if you want. I find the blends, I like these colors better with the watercolor pencils. You could use any colored pencils if you want. Make sure they're good, not the Dollar Tree ones, because they don't color well. So prism pencils are fine. But that's all you want to do, is you just want to go over, let's do, how about some crushed curly, flirty flamingo. Where's my granny apple green? Ah, I got one. I've got it. And then all you have to do is you can make this your full card front if you want it. Or you can ship it, put it on a card, layer it on, cut it down and layer it on, whatever you'd like to do. But again, you're just wanting to color it over, all over. Now this one has a die cut, so you could die cut it, but then I like having the black all around it, so it does show that you're doing something on black. And there you go. Anyhow, again, you can do a lot of things with it. This is a great card. You can, again, this is the watercolor pencils. This right here is the blends. So, please, if you enjoy my videos, shop with me at marytroutner.stampinup.net. You can follow me on YouTube, and everything you need, watercolor pencils and black cardstock and Whisper White ink are listed below. Thanks for listening and happy stamping. Bye-bye.